Hello fellow teachers, in this video I will be sharing with you my automatic individual learning monitoring plan. Bago ko simulan, please consider clicking or hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell para updated ka sa mga videos na i-upload ko sa aking channel. So this is my individual learning monitoring plan. All you have to do is to put the learner's name here, grade level, the monitoring date, LRN, section, and the school year. In this particular area here ay maglalagay tayo ng learning area or learning competency, the learner's needs, the learning intervention provided or the learning strategies provided, the learner status, and the remarks. In the learning status, all we have to do is to put check mark here. If the learner is showing significant improvement, ay maglalagay tayo ng check mark dito. After placing check mark ay kusa pong lalabas ang remarks in this particular cell. If the learner is showing insignificant improvement, maglalagay tayo ng check mark in this cell here. And automatic ding lalabas ang remarks in this particular cell. But if the child or the student is showing mastery of the learning competency or the learning area, maglalagay tayo ng check mark in this particular box here. And as I said, kusa ding lalabas or automatic ding lalabas ang remarks in this particular cell. Let me take science and mathematics as our example. Based on the learning intervention provided, if the learner is showing significant improvement, ay maglalagay tayo ng checkmark on this particular box. After placing the checkmark, click enter. And as you can see, automatic pong lalabas ang remarks in this particular box or cell. So let's have the second example. Based on the learning intervention or strategies provided, if the learner is showing insignificant improvement, ay maglalagay tayo ng checkmark in this particular box. Click enter. As you can see, ay automatic ding lumabas ang remarks in this particular cell. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you again in our next video tutorial.